In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Xero for 2025. Whether you're expanding your business operations internationally or simply managing multiple transactions across different markets, knowing how to efficiently navigate through Xero's currency settings is a valuable skill. By following these straightforward steps, you can adjust the system to better suit your financial needs. Let's dive right in. To begin, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your business name displayed prominently. This acts as a gateway to various settings and customization options within your account. Go ahead and click on your business name. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with a list of options. From this menu, the next step is to search for and select Settings. This choice will direct you to a broader spectrum of customizable features within your Xero account. Once you're within the Settings section, you'll want to narrow your focus to find the Currencies option. This is a crucial step in ensuring your transactions reflect the correct currency standards for your specific business needs. Click on Currencies, and you'll be taken to a dedicated section for managing currency settings within your account. This is where you can add, edit, or remove currency options based on your business requirements. To make any changes, locate the Add Currency button. This feature allows you to integrate new currencies into your current system. Click on Add Currency, and you'll be presented with a list of available currencies from which to choose. Go ahead and select the currency or currencies that you wish to add. This flexibility ensures that your transactions can be conducted seamlessly, regardless of the various markets you're engaging with. After making your selections, the new currencies are integrated into your Xero account almost effortlessly. It's as simple as that. With your chosen currencies now added, your Xero account is equipped to handle transactions in multiple currencies, facilitating smoother business operations. And there you have it. By following these streamlined steps, you've successfully modified the currency settings in Xero, aligning them with your current business needs. Remember, managing multiple currencies effectively not only harmonizes your financial operations, but also provides clearer insights into your international dealings. We hope these instructions have guided you through the process with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.